Hey everybody, welcome back to Cajun Country Living. This week we're going to be putting in our kitchen windows, working on some siding and all that good stuff. So a little backstory real quick getting into this is we've been trying to get the windows for our kitchen at a certain type that we wanted. Of course we couldn't get them or it's going to take another several months. We don't have a couple, several months or
Right.
whatever the case may be.
So instead of waiting for one big window, we decided to do 4. So we're gonna do 2 sets of 2.
2 sets of 2
2 sets of 2.
or 4.
Yeah. 2 sets of 2. 4.
Right, 2.
Yeah, like 4. 2. Okay, so we're gonna get started on that this morning. We are going to actually do them at the same time.
We're not putting 4 windows in the kitchen. We're putting 2 in the kitchen, 2 in the dining room, but it's on the approaching wall. So we really got to make these look good. Good curb appeal, make it look nice, and then we can get the siding on. So we can't put the siding on until we get these windows on. I am ready. I want to see what this house looks like from the road with windows and siding. I cannot wait.
So being able to put these windows in, it's going to complete the front side of our home. It'll end up being symmetrical on both sides because we're going to put them at the same distance from the door. Also, we're going to put them at the same elevation as the dining room windows. Plan is I'm going to try and stay one step ahead of
One hip instead of.
So the plan is I'm going to try and stay one step ahead of Jim Wayne on my side, and then that way we can kind of go back and forth and kind of help each other out and get it done in a decent time today. Hey,
How's it going out there?
I'm just ready for you. You're slacking.
I'm trying. Just kind of don't want to make a miscut. Pretty important to get this one right. Well, if y'all been with our channel since the beginning, you know what we're about to do. We're about to
Pop a line. Great execution there.
perfectly.
At least we have some experience doing that, I will say.
That's right. It's kind of a cool deal, you know. They make this particular chalk out of dehydrated Smurf tears.
Oh,
Crazy.
that's a really interesting fact for the day.
Yeah, you know. I like to give a little back when I can.
Making fun of me?
Yeah.
Why?
What was that grunting about? Ooh.
I was in a bind trying to hold that up there. I was in a bind trying to hold it up there. I swear these holes look ginormous, but that's okay. That's a good thing. More light.
Big giant hole, drive-through window. This is a drive-through window.
So we have a front and a back.
You just drive through here. You can make it your way.
Look, you can pay here and pick your food up over here.
It's gonna have to be cash only though. It ain't gonna be. It can't be no buy now, pay later kind of deals.
No IOUs.
No IOUs. That's right. Somebody want some crawfish etouffee? Garlic bread. Why am I hung up on garlic bread?
I don't
Every time
know.
I think about etouffee or jambalaya, or I just want some good garlic bread.
In case you northerners, I shouldn't say that, us northerners. Well, I'm kind of like 50-50 now. 50 Cajun, 50 Yankee. If any of y'all don't know what etouffee is, it is
It is the nectar of the gods. That's what etouffee is. It is a perfect combination of a tomato-based roux with seasoning and the holy trinity, which is celery and bell pepper and onion. I'm hungry.
Are you?
Yeah, no breakfast for me this morning, so we're gonna have to get this knocked out. I'm getting too hungry to talk.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and start getting them framed up.
All right.
A lot more. This is taking a lot more time than I thought it would. So whenever we were working the other day, I might have got my tape measure, if y'all can see, hung up, and now it is very sharp right there.
She didn't get, let me interject just a little bit. She shot her tape measure with the nail gun.
I was trying to be direct. Look, it was for 2 foot though. See? See that? It was a perfect shot. Well, I was just outside cutting and I'm so sorry. I thought he might take it better if I tell y'all too. I'm so sorry. We just talked about how we have not, well, I haven't and he definitely hasn't ruined one tape measure, and in less than 48 hours I ruined both of ours.
And I burned up the oscillating saw a while ago, like you seen on the little time-lapse section. You see it smoking and the smoke rolling out of it?
Yeah.
So it's looking like we're gonna have to make a tool run before we can finish.
Look, other couples have like his and her bracelets, his and her rings. We have like his and her rulers. Like 95% of the time, if I'm using one, it's this one. And if he's using one, it's that one. So I'm so sorry.
But another story, before this happened, we lost my wedge. We were looking for my wedge. Let me grab it real quick. Wedge I have had almost my entire adult existence on planet Earth. I got this and a set of banana wedges and a few more tools whenever I first started boiler making. And this is the only one that I have left. So I was kind of spazzing out a little bit because I thought we had lost it. We couldn't find it anywhere. And my goofy self had laid it on the trailer. So we were able to recover this bad boy.
Hey, this one you can't break.
No. Oh well, we have to be really careful with what's left of our tape measures, at least till we finish today.
So sorry. If anybody has a good recommendation on brands for...
Yeah, I guess any that's miter saw and nail gun resistant, that would be a plus.
That'd be great.
I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting.
Jim is just finishing putting the house wrap around the windows. Then we're gonna put this side in and then go ahead and move to the other side.
How's that heat treating?
Like, I need to be on the river.
That would be nice. It is
Wouldn't it?
warm today.
Oh my God.
What is it? Probably 85,
It's
84.
probably 85, but that sun heat index, whenever I looked earlier, it was a 9 out of a 10. I've had it where it says extreme instead of like 10 out of 10.
So Lydia's gonna finish screwing in these two windows for the dining room. Then we're gonna move over and start on the kitchen windows. Hopefully we'll get this done today.
So this is what the final product of having the windows in the front side of the house looks like. We are so pleased with the way that it turned out, and honestly, it just couldn't look any better in our eyes. So over the next few days, we got some more of the siding up. We ended up getting one full side done. Once we completed that, we went ahead and moved to the back side. We just put the 9-foot section up since we still need to put the window in the loft. This has been such hard work the past few days, but we wouldn't want it any other way. Being able to take pride in what you're doing really does speak volumes, and in this situation, it's going to be something that we see every single day. And we're going to know we did this ourselves and we did this for our family. So now the two long sides of the house and the back 9-foot section is complete. All right, y'all, well, we just wanted to come on real quick and tell y'all thank you so much for the support and checking out this week's video. If y'all haven't hit that like and subscribe button, go ahead and do that. And also follow us on Instagram.
Meet Lewis. We asked our Patreons to help us name our newest addition to the chicken family. Hey everybody.
Hey. This is Banny Rooster, so that's as big as he's gonna get.
So do you like your name?
Oh.
I think he does.
Do you want to be a chicken nugget?
I'm glad y'all stopped by and checked in on us this week. We already did that. Okay. Well, I guess we're gonna let y'all go. Thank y'all for coming out and hey, y'all come on down. We're selling cars like candy bars.
Alright, y'all, we'll see you later, okay?
Thanks for coming by.
We'll just try again next week, okay?
One more time. One more.
No.